Damn near can wear to bed. Just simple, plain, cute, and simple. Every girl who wears makeup is not a full glam girly, and I get it, okay? What's poppin', y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shades by Slay, and today we're gonna get into a simple makeup look. Something that you can go to the grocery store in, something you can go out to eat in, something you go to celebrate a party in. This is just something simple every day, and guess what? It is no foundation. I have no foundation on, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this look. And it's just simple. Who don't want a simple makeup look? Yes, you guys, I did achieve this look with no foundation. This is really only concealer when it comes to the base. Okay, so if you are ready, come sit with me so we can do our makeup, girl. I am a simple makeup kind of girl, okay? I don't like the full glam unless like it's like a celebration or something like that. But for me, I am a simple makeup girly. First step first, we're gonna be hydrating our skin. We do not want our skin to be dry. This is like the main thing. Hydrate your skin. And I'm going to go in with the NYX Cosmetics, the Marshmallow Primer. And I am just putting this on my face. And we are just going to rub this in. We want to make sure our face is really, really hydrated. We're not using foundation today. We're just doing simple glam. Now that our face is hydrated, I am just going to go in and I am going to cover up all my little spots where I have hyperpigmentation. And we are just going to blend it out. And for me, I'm going in with Born This Way. This is their concealer. And I am just blending every area that is dark. We want to get rid of those dark areas. Now when using this concealer, it is full coverage, so that's pretty much what we want. We want to make sure that the concealer we are using is full coverage because we aren't using a foundation. So we want to make sure that we are covering, and as you can see, like I literally covered my line on my nose, and I don't know where I've gotten that line from. I think my ear, nose, and throat doctor said basically it's from like my sinuses and stuff like that. But we are just covering up all our little areas, and as you can see, all the areas that I wanted to be covered up is now covered up. Now I'm gonna go in with the same concealer, and I'm just gonna go up under my eyes, and I want to conceal this because my eyes is dark, so I want to make sure I target that area. I want to make sure it is gone. So I'm going to put a little line on my nose because we are still going to contour. Even though the makeup is simple, we are still going to contour. We're letting this sit. I'm going to go on with my NARS, and I am going to pat some bronzer on my face. You don't want it to be a lot. You just want to add a little bit. And remember, we are not dragging, we are patting. And we are just adding this. And we're going to bring it on our forehead as well. When it comes to bronzers, I absolutely love this NARS bronzer. It is so lightweight, it's not heavy, it's not muddy. I absolutely love it. Now we let that sit, and we're just going to blend out. When it comes to blending out concealer, like this is my favorite part. This makeup look is so simple, y'all. Like, and you don't want to look like you have on makeup. I guess like the whole clean girl vibes or whatever. This is absolutely the way to go when it comes to like simple makeup. And everything we're doing everything as we normally would, except for the foundation. We don't have any foundation on our face, but we still want it to look clean. We still want it to look minimum. And this is something so simple. Literally, you can do this when you are going to work. Like if you work at a job that requires you to wear like no makeup. I honestly couldn't work at a job like that if they required me to wear no makeup. So this is the look I would go for. I would literally wear this like every day. I'm just going to use whatever I had on that brush, and I'm just going to go back, blend it in some more. Again, this is like simple makeup, so you don't want to use too much. You just want enough to bring back your features, because that's what foundation do ultimately. It kind of flattens everything out once you put it on there. So we are just bringing warmth back to our face. Comes to our nose, we're going to do the same thing, but you want to make sure you put a light stroke on your nose. I'm going to go on the sides of our nose here. I have a small nose, so it's like you really got to create that little bridge. But again, you don't want to put too much. You want everything to be simple. You want people to think you have on no makeup. That's the trick. But now that we did our contour, we're good. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to do my eyebrows. Just fill them in as you normally would. I'm not going to say like do it this way or that way. I would just say like minimum as possible. My eyebrows are kind of like scarce. Like they're there, but they're not there. It's hard to explain. So I'm just going to fill them in to my liking. I know it looks crazy right now because the top of my eyes aren't done, but basically we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to use the concealer. And this concealer is in the shade Maple. And this is Born This Way concealer. And I am literally just going to use this concealer to clean up my brows. And while I'm cleaning up my brows, I'm going to use this to hide my dark circles, because these circles are literally on 10. And when I do this, I'm just dragging this down, only so that it just won't cake up all up under my brow, but I'm just dragging this down. It's nothing too major. I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna apply the applicator right on top of my eyes, and I'm just going to blend this in. I'm gonna go back in with my same brush, which is a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna lightly blend that in. And again, this is all concealer, no foundation. Literally, it looks like my skin. Everything seems to be blended out. I am going to go back around my mouth because as you can see, like it looks kind of ashy, like it's dewy here, but then it's just not giving what it's supposed to give here. So I'm just going to go back in with my concealer, and I am just going to add a little bit more. Just so everything can just go together. Now that we've done that, we're going to go back in with a lighter concealer. A lighter concealer is just going to give us a little bit of brightening in the areas that usually catch the flash. But we have our camera. So I'm going to add some here and back up here. If you want, you can add some up under your eyes. It's totally up to you, but we're just doing simple glam today. And for my nose, I am just blending this out. As you can see, my skin looks dewy. It looks really, really well. Now, when it comes to blush, I am a brown skin girly, so I love like an orange kind of blush. So I'm gonna be using the Beauty Bakery Brownie Bar. That was hard to say. I'm gonna be using the Beauty Bakery Brownie Bar, and I want to use an orange color because I kind of want to just bring out my features. I don't want to go pink. So we're going to go with the orange blush. With this blush, we're not going to add a lot. And we're just going to put this right up here. And I am just lightly tapping this on my face. Now on camera, it may seem like a lot, but it's really, really not. If you can see here, it's really not a lot. And I'm going to do the same thing for this side. And we're just building up this blush. This palette has their own contour, and I'm going with this shade. And I'm just gonna brush a little bit to bring some color back to my cheeks. And it don't have to be a lot. And we're just doing a little bit. You want to make sure it's a little bit. You don't want to overdo it. You definitely don't want to overdo it. And I'm just gonna go. And I'm also going to put this on my nose as well. When it comes to the setting powder, I am going to be using Beauty Bakery setting powder. I am not using a lot, okay? We are just blending all of this out. We just want to mattify everything. You can pick up more if you want to, but we are just matting everything out, including the top of our eyes. And that was one dip, and I barely used anything with that dip. When it comes to this part, you can add eyeshadow. I am going to add a little bit of eyeshadow, but it's not going to be a lot. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Remedy by Ari palette, and I'm going to be using a light shade. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Bubbly here. And I'm just going to tap some of that off. I want to do windshield wiper motions on my eye. I don't want to put too much because, again, this is simple. If you don't want to put eyeshadow, you really don't have to. I was just going to rock with the concealer I have on my eyes, but just to show you guys that you can put eyeshadow on. Now, I know we're doing a simple glam, but y'all, I have big eyes, so I am definitely going to do a wing liner. If you don't know me by now, I absolutely love a wing liner. If you are a beginner, I don't suggest that you use liquid eyeliner because it is really hard to work with at times. So I would say master regular eyeliner and then go in with a liquid. And this eyeliner is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liner. Like, I tried it once and I have never went back to any other eyeliner. Today I'm going to be using the Smashbox mascara. You rarely want to put anything on. Like, make sure spoolie does not have a lot of mascara on it. And you just want to make sure you are combing through those lashes. We are waiting for our eyelashes to dry. And while we're waiting for that to dry, I'm just going to line my lips. Now, I love lining my lips. Now, today it is simple makeup, so I am only going to be lining my lips. I usually do like an ombre two-tone color, but I'm not. I'm just gonna line my lips and then put lip gloss on. The pencil I am using today is the ColourPop pencil. This is the ColourPop lippy pencil, and this is in the shade Control. I am just lining my lips so that I can go and add gloss on top. I'm going to be using the Thread Beauty lip gloss. Okay, y'all, so this did turn out cute. Okay. This is simple makeup. We have on no foundation and we achieved the look that we were aiming for. It is simple. It is cute. You can wear it to the store. You can wear it to... You damn near can wear it to bed, okay? I mean, don't wear your makeup to bed. Don't listen to me. Don't wear your makeup to bed, but I'm saying this makeup look is just something that eats down, okay? And it's just giving skin. It's giving... It's me on a regular basis. Like, I wake up and I look like this, okay? If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me the things I need to get better on. Tell me some of the things that you need help with so I can help you. Help me to help you, okay?